Welcome to PUBG How, where I show you how to play PUBG, what's new, and any news. If you like this channel, it survives on your likes, share, and subscription. Thank you. Okay, this is the load up for the new Ruins TDM, and as usual I'm still using the same guns. What I find with this is don't stay at one spot. Same as the other one, don't stay at one spot, but with this even more so. In the other one I had like a kind of an area where I would till I get killed and I'll move on. With this I don't stay at one area at all. You have to keep moving, keep hunting. It's a very fluid map. Still the same, I would say, advice that I'll give you is aim for the head. Always aim for the head. This game is made to obviously kill them with headshots, but in real life obviously that's not the case. A shot on the leg would disable a person really well. So looking at this place, I'd rushed, so I should have stayed back a little bit. And rushing is, you might want to top the team by having most kills. However, rushing and getting yourself killed, you spend like a good minute trying to get back into the heat of the battle. So it's kind of a hit and a miss in that sense. So here again you can see I just got killed again because of rushing. Here these guys are trying to rush us instead of seeing there's 4 guys there. Just back off and try and come at us from another angle. So here I'm rushing again. There's obviously 3 guys. I should have pulled back or chucked a grenade. Grenade would have been really good. This guy's not watching his flanks. Always look around, always watch your flanks with this one, because there'll be someone hidden somewhere. So again, 3 guys, 4 guys there. Now change of plan this time. I'm going to go around and hit them from the back. So there you go. So this game is really cool like that. Like, you don't have one place of spawning, whereas the other one you just spawn at your house or shed or whatever, whereas this one you just spawn at different areas. So at the same, which makes it difficult with the other team as well. What I should have done is probably shot the guy who was shooting at me and looking at me rather than the guy with the back, because the guy was going to kill me. I would have had a better chance of killing that guy. So yeah, so which makes it really hard, because if you kill someone, you don't know where he's gonna spawn. He might spawn right next to you, a little bit further behind you, and you might be fighting his friends in front, and he might get from the back. So you always gotta see, like how I ran into this area and I was looking on the side. So you always gotta do that. And yeah, hopefully this helped you, and hopefully you enjoyed my video. Thanks guys.